Hey, welcome back to Rosco Reviews. On today's episode, we are going to be updating some can lights. These are the old style can lights that have the metal ring around the outside. These have gotten yellow. The bulbs have a gap around the edges, so we're going to update these to an LED version that is a white plastic cover. These are really inexpensive. I picked up a whole box of these on Amazon. I'll put a link for these in the description of the video. They're super easy to change out, so let me show you how. There are no tools necessary for this install. First, we're just going to remove the light bulb. Then we're going to need to take the old cover off. These are held on there with a spring. Sometimes they're held on with a little wire. These have a spring, so you have to reach up in there and remove the spring. So there's two springs that have a little hook on the end, so I've removed one. Remove the other one, and then that cover will come off. And then it'll be ready for our new one. There are three parts to the new light: the light itself, the springs that hold it up into the can, and the adapter that screws into the old socket. On the back of the light, there is a switch. The color is adjustable, and it goes by the K value, so it goes 2700 to 5000. The higher you go toward the 5000, the whiter the light gets. So it'll be sort of a yellowy color down at the 2700, and it'll be a white or almost blue color up at the 5000. So we'll start with the adapter piece that screws into the socket. Go ahead and screw that in where the light bulb was. Then we'll attach our new light to that. This plug only goes one direction, but if you're looking at it, the black line will continue on to the black line on the other side, and the white wire will go to the white wire on the other side, but it does only clip in there one way. Then we'll attach these springs to the back of the light. These springs clip into the back like this. That's it. That's all it takes. Then these springs, to put the light up into the can, you have to pinch the springs together like this, and then slip them into this clip that's right here. This is the tricky part because you have to do both of them at the same time, and there's one on each side. Once the springs are in that clip, be sure the wire is up above the light here so we don't pinch it into the edge, and we can shove the light up into the can. The springs will hold the light up tight against the ceiling. This has been a quick tutorial on how to update your old can lighting with some new LED covers. Again, I'll put a link for these in the description of the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.